Hello everyone, I am Pritham from AthrV-Ed, and in this video I'll be showing you how to install Android Studio software on your Windows device. To get Android Studio, you need to go to their official website. So in my Google Chrome browser, I'll be typing in Android Studio. And here the first link will be redirecting you to their official websites. So I'll click on the first link here. And once you get to their official page, you'll find the download link straight away. So click on the download button, and here you have to agree all the terms and conditions and click on download. So once you click on your download button, your download will be initiated. I have already downloaded this file before, so I won't be downloading it again. I'll click on the downloaded file which I have here. So once I click on the downloaded file, I'll have this setup wizard in front of me. So here click next. Now you have to select the components that needs to be installed. So you have Android Studio and your Android virtual device. So we'll be selecting both of them because in the future we'll be needing the Android virtual device to be installed. So for that reason I'll be selecting both of them and then click next. Now you have to select the location where your software will be stored. You can browse the location and then click next. So this will be the final step. If you want to create a shortcut, select the shortcut button and then click on install. So the installation process has started. I will be speeding up this process. So for you it might take some time, so wait for the installation to get completed. So once the installation is done, click on next and then click on finish to start Android Studio. If you have already had installed the Android Studio software, it will be asking you to import all the settings that you have. So if you have it, you can browse the Android Studio settings here. So if you are new, you have to select do not import settings and then click on OK. So once you click OK, your Android Studio will start. Here you can select any of the two options. These are just feedbacks that Google collects from you. So if you want to send usage statistics, you can click on that or click on don't send. It's up to you. So I'll click on send usage statistics for now, and then the Android Studio software will be open.
12 seconds later.
And here is the setup wizard. So click on next. If you want to have custom installation, you can select the custom option. For now it would be standard. Here you can select your UI theme. It would be dark or light mode and then click next. And then you have to select the SDK components. So if you are setting it for the first time, you'll have this option to set up your Android SDK. For now I'll be using Android 10, and you don't have to select the virtual device, or it's up to you. For now I won't be selecting it because I will do it in the future, as its download size is also very large. So only SDK components I will be selecting and then I will click next. So you can check all the files that will be downloaded. So once you have gone through all the files, click on the finish button and the download process will start. So again I am speeding up this process. It might take some time for you to download and completely install all these files, but I will be speeding up. So once all the download is finished, the Android Studio software will be running. So now I'll start a new project to check if everything is working fine. I'll select an empty activity for now. Click next. I'll keep it to the default settings. All the settings won't change for now, and then click on finish to start my project. So when you build your first project, there will be certain Gradle files that needs to be installed. So once your project is initiated, you can see at the bottom there will be download files that will get started. So these are the Gradle files that will get downloaded for your initial project. So you have to wait for all the Gradle files to be downloaded. Here again I will be fast forwarding this step. I'll be skipping all these download files. So once all the download is finished, your software will be ready to use. Now you can use your software. Go to the activity main.xml. Okay, now let me close this menu of what's new in 4.0 so that you can see the screen properly. And here you have the front end design. So now you can drag and drop any of the elements. So if you want to know more about Android Studio software and also learn about basics of front end designing, I have made another video on this topic, so you'll find the link in the description. Do watch that video too. So that's it for this video of setting up Android Studio. If you liked our video, click on the like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. Thank you.